communicating with you?
Oh yeah. So I sent them yesterday what they need to do and what I'm going to do. So I'm done, and I'm so glad we are here. Well, the problem is we would still be in New Zealand on the 5th, and we have we'll make sure that we have the thing. We're able to connect to Zoom, and I have the Zoom in here because I am bringing this laptop. Oh, we're eating already? Oh, very good. So, that uncle is here, so we didn't have to have Gina cook for us.
It's good. So whenever you have something to cook, I can cook.
I think we got canned goods over there or
Look, we can
corned
do-
beef. No, yes, corned beef. I like it.
Punta tayo sa SM mamaya.
What time? What time?
Ikaw?
Maybe when I get back. Maybe I'm gonna go somewhere.
Where you going?
I'm gonna meet up somebody.
Yeah. You having a date?
No!
Okay.
Business.
Business?
How old are you now?
Mamu,
42?
meron tayong ano.
42 now?
I don't know.
I'm live, Auntie. What do you want? What do you want?
Oh. Okay. Yung tanggal mo to. Here.
Oh yeah. Meron tayo dito, Mamu. Oh. What is this? Ding-ding.
Yun eh.
Let's try it. Ah, sili pala to, Uncle?
Si Mami po ba yan? Is it your mom? No?
No, not really.
Ano ito?
The chicken porridge.
Like prawns.
Oh, yan, Mama. Ang dami ulam na.
Sabi specialty niya.
Ano yan?
Okay.
Anong specialty? Ang lalaki ng chicken niya.
Crabs and lobster.
2.
You see?
Wow, ang sarap no. Ang sarap.
Synergy. She likes crab lobster.
Mercy has to go in
Ayan na.
FaceTime video.
Hello!
We're eating. I'm cooking. I
Saan na
cook.
kayo?
Oh,
We're
nice.
eating! Yan si Ayan, no? Oh, bakit nawala?
They just arrived in New Zealand.
No, nawala.
They're in New Zealand na, Auntie.
Oo nga. Nawala.
So what should I do if I need to go to New Zealand?
What you really do? It's a nice place. You need to go and apply there actually. Pero, professional ka. You have to show professionalism.
I'm not a clown.
Hindi bakla-bakla. Bakla man lang pero professional. Mag-pantalon ka, mag-ano ka,
Dress like a
Blazer ka.
professional.
Okay.
you apply for a job. There.
Are you for real?
Okay pa rin pag bakla mo, pero wag ka nang mag-bestida.
No, I want long gown.
Ginagaya mo naman itong si Ella.
Hi, Mia. Uwi ka sa birthday ni Brenda. Hindi makaka-uwi. Pupunta ako New Zealand.
Sinigyan mo siya si Ella. Ang ganda-ganda ng business niya. Tapos nag-councilman pa siya. Ipabayaan niya yung kanyang business. Nagkagulo-gulo, nagka-ano-ano. Mayroon na siyang employees, pero hindi, they are not so much, guided.
So what happened?
Hindi magandang trabaho nila. She was so good at first, you know? In beginning last year, hindi na siya
Marga.
makausap.
Bayaan mo na yun. Di ko kilala yung mga yan. Okay. Mga addictions. So what happened? She still has that.
Naging counsel man siya, maganda naman kasi she can make a difference. Being, you know,
So who's in charge of the business?
transgender. What impressed me was when we first met with Mom. I am transgender. I said, okay, I was so impressed for her honesty.
I think we can dress like that. What's wrong?
Huh?
What's wrong? I just don't need to dress like that right now because why?
No,
Because-
because
yeah,
it's
because
okay when
why?
you go for professional
Okay.
thing, for interview, but you have to maintain that. Because then how can you get a job like in nursing?
You think I don't know that?
I know you know, I'm just reminding you.
Okay.
So, in nursing, you can run into different case management.
Yeah, and
You can just be in the office or something.
well, that depends.
Nursing informatics. Whatever you want to do, this that you are doing right now would be a very good frontage for you. Like, okay, you are doing all this aesthetics and you are an RN, you have a background you are an RN, you will be more respected.
I know.
People will trust you more having that skill you have being a nurse to do that.
That can work. Thank you, Mamu. Happy eating. I like this fish.
Tumatawag siguro, hindi maganda ang kanilang ano.
No, I think they're still at the airport.
Nigerian ka ang nag-ayos, Nigerian.
Yeah.
Well, she's an agent anyway. Maybe she just came from Nigeria.
Where is their main office? Everywhere? Everywhere?
I'm not sure. I have no idea.
Hindi, hindi.
Bert Joe, matagal pa. Mag-focus muna ako sa business.
Yeah. Then when you have established, then you can follow after that.
What's your business? Aesthetics?
Yeah.
Ito na clinic.
I might as well enroll. I might as well enroll with Philippine Aesthetics Institute
And you have a certificate.
so that I can have a certification and I can do more. I can do a lot.
Yeah. That's the key. People will be looking to have your business office and look at your certificates that you hang in there. Okay. And so
I know. Sino nagbabantay ng house mo? Wala.
Si Wilson, may ginagawa siya doon. Natawagan ko na pala siya. Sabi ko na ano yung nagawa na niya doon. Appreciate ko naman ang nari mo at nag-aalala sa amin.
Well,
Isip ko naman kung sino yung nagtulong sa kanya nung maghirap siya. Nanganak siya sa iyo, ang ama mo nasa Saudi, hindi man lang umuwi. Pre-eclamptic pa ang mami mo, muntik lang mamatay. Hindi ko siya pinilit na dadalhin sa hospital.
those are different times.
Well, of course, but then kung asawa mo yung mga anak, first child mo, bakit hindi mo puntahan? Uuwian? That's a big question mark.
Wala pa namang chat noon. You have to like wait. Namatay na yung kapamilya mo, yung pinsan mo. 2 months mo pa nalaman because 2 months dumating yung mail.
Ayun. Wag na ko lang sila. May telegram. Madaling darating yun.
Okay, move on.
Kaya nga, sabihin mo, nabuhay naman kami ng mga, primitive, sabihin mo ngayon, from this time, considered primitive, but they were. Very good communication.
Yeah, but it was hard.
It's just faster now. Noon dito, we didn't even have telephone kasi hindi man hirap magpakulit ng telepono. Dito.
Yeah, even water.
But we had good water though. Nawasa was so good. Shakba. When they just started the Nawasa here, very soft yung tubig.
I don't know, when we moved here, it was so difficult.
We were here in 1984. And the water was already Nawasa started in 1982. Ang ganda ng water supply. Very clean. Maligo ka, parang may sabon pa yung mo. That's how soft it was.
True.
Yung niya, mangga. Hindi mo lang tayo may bigat. Sabado.
Huh?
So we will go for church tomorrow, sabi ko.
Wow. I don't know, Baisa. Pasay is so far away.
We attended church at the Isa. When we were here, we were members of the publishing house church.
Yeah.
Wala naman na yun, publishing house. Nasa silang na.
The mango, please. Is the
Ano
Yes.
gusto mo? Ang gusto mo? Basta may buto. Saka may
No.
flesh.
Thank you.
Bakit? Ayaw mo tayo na ng mangga?
I'm not into fruits.
Oh.
Hmm?
Hindi kompleto ang pagkain ko pag walang fruits.
No, because for me, the fruits, they ferment in my body. I feel nauseated
You
sometimes.
you have to eat all.
I eat dry fruits though.
That's okay. Dry fruit is good.
Banana, not too much. I'm over in potassium.
Sana tatawag si Mami mo.
Oo nga, Nas Griller. Umuwi, babalik ulit.
Kailan dumating ang Mami mo?
Hmm?
Kailan siya dumating dito na? February.
5.
February 5. Hello? Hi. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah, so 75, 50, and
Amy, yeah.
200, right?
Ako hindi. Hindi ko alam kay Uyong. Parang hindi din.
290?
Ang layo ni Uyong. Uyong is nasa Baguio. Ang layo-layo.
Okay. So that is, hold on, okay. So 8, 13, 8, 423?
Ang layo kasi ni Uyong. Nasa Baguio siya. Dylan, uncle, I'm gonna wash the dishes.
Uh-huh.
Amy, si Balot, in love sa jowa niya. In love. Yung pala in love si Uyong. Correct. what? Ubing Pajay boyfriend na. Nas Grillers. Saan ako uwi? Nandito ako sa bahay. Nas, nandito ako sa bahay. Saan ako uwi? Donabella Plaza. I wish we didn't have too much. So, auntie is gonna work again. Meron kami uncle, like, takpan niya lahat yan. Asan yun? I think I have that. So, you don't have to use like 5 plates or whatever. No. This one. To cover. See? Yeah, just the violence. Diba?
Ito.
No.
That one here.
Oh.
I don't know about this one.
It's fine, auntie. Ikaw, kaya na siya. No.
Yan kaya.
Let me fix it. Yeah.
Ito. Bali ang kanya naman.
Asidaglang Pangasinan. 1 Manang. Emiya. Oo nga ro. Ano may chika na yan? Wala na sa uyong. Na-inlove na yata. Pero parang feeling ko hindi. Hindi naman siya na-inlove eh. Tsaka hello, paano siya ma-inlove? Mahal ba siya noon? Parang hindi naman. Parang happy lang si Guy sa kanya. As a friend. As a friend. Di ba nga, sabi ni Uyong, self-love lang daw siya. Self-love lang siya this year. Oo. See? Friendship lang yun. Okay. Huwag nyo na seryosohin. It's just friendship. Katawa mo't namin kasla bagtit. 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 Bagtit diay. Diba? Bagtit so yun. Anyway. So guys, thank you so much. Later na lang, okay? Bye everybody. May gagawin pa ako. Bye.